The SKP and KSP are single decreases. One leans to the left and one leans to the right. These are alternatives for the SSK and the knit two together. On this swatch, an SKP was worked on the right edge and a KSP was worked on the left edge. These are blended, mirrored decreases because the decreases are slanting in the same direction as the edge, or they're slanting away from the edge, so that makes them blended. They're mirrored because they are the same number of stitches away from the edge, and they mirror each other, so they are leaning in opposite directions. Let me show you how to work these. I'll show you the SKP first. It is more commonly seen. The KSP is not very commonly seen. The SKP is an alternative for the SSK. So remember the SSK, you slip one knitwise, you slip another one knitwise, you pass them back and knit them together through the back loops. The SKP, so let me rearrange my stitches. The SKP, you slip one knitwise, you knit the next stitch, and then you slip that, pass that slipped stitch over. It results in the same decrease as the SSK, but with kind of different needle movements. So again, you slip one knitwise, you knit the next stitch, and you pass that slipped stitch over, like so. The KSP is an alternative for the knit two together. So to work this, you knit one stitch. You slip it purlwise back to the left-hand needle, and you lift the second stitch on the left-hand needle over that first, and then you slip this stitch back, like so. Let me show you that again. You knit one stitch, you slip it purlwise back to the left-hand needle, you pass the second stitch on the left-hand needle over that first stitch, and you slip the stitch back to the right-hand needle. This is a KSP, and it produces the same decrease as a knit two together. So that's the SKP and KSP single decreases. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.